Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is gonna be kind of an unboxing, a little bit setup, not really though, but and then first time skating in 8.5. I got my board right here. This is a Fortune Coral Camo, and like I said, it's in 8.5. So it's I've been skating 8.25 for my last two boards. And I just want to try out every different size to see what I like most. And my trucks I had for my old board were 139 independents, so they wouldn't really work very good with an 8.5 because those are only supposed to be up to 8.25, I guess. So to be too small. So I got some new trucks and also some hardware. I didn't need new hardware, but I just want to try out the Allen hardware. To try. So my old trucks, I didn't need new trucks though, because they didn't even have any grooves yet. So I'm just keep those for anything 8.25 and under, and then these will be over 8.25. I'm just gonna see what's in here. So what I got is the shorties, Allen 1-inch hardware. I like the 1-inch. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then it's just, so these are just all black. Here they are. They're Thunder, Jamie Foy's first running off the Sky High ones. So they have right here, they have like flamingos flying. I think they're flamingos because it says they're flamingo pink bushings. This light is like really bright. Alright, there you can see it. So I would show you guys the set, but I want to show you. I have these new wheels and bearings. Bones Reds bearings and Bones STF. And they're V1. And then they're 51mm. Can't see anymore. So, just gonna show you guys probably putting on one truck. Probably edit some. So, I really like the way that Allen hardware looks. Okay, so I'm about to do kick flip. Alright, can't touch the tail on the ground yet. The tail's, oh, that's the nose. Freaking tail's not gonna look like this for long. Alright, here we go. It's like you can't let the tail touch the ground until you do the first trick. So, oh no! Oh man, finally. See how I do heel flip now? That's what I got. Oh, Tic Tacs. So many Tic Tacs. Jeez. Let's do a couple tricks. Alright, there we go. Now I'm starting to get used to it. Okay, I'm gonna do the first grind on the new trucks. Get this grind. Okay, first little 5-0. I was going really slow because I was kind of scared because he grinds so fast. I was worried I was gonna flip out, but So one of the reasons a lot of people get bigger boards is to skate off stuff. So I'm gonna test that out real quick.